You want to learn how to do baby hair edges on your synthetic lace wig?
You damn Skippy.
Alright, I'm about to show you how. Let's go.
Sis.
Alright, so after you straighten the hair, you're going to carve out where you want your baby hairs to be. On this wig, I'm doing 3 on each side. 1 for the forehead, 1 for the temple, and 1 for the sideburns. Now, when you carve them out, make sure you carve them out in like an oval shape. Alright, before you go to the other side, you're going to braid this side down to make sure it's out the way. So when you do the other side, you can come back to it. Okay, make sure you don't braid it too tight because you don't want to curl the hair and make it look crinkly. So try to braid it close to the bottom as much as possible. Alright, so spray the hair after you pin it back. And I'm going to show you why after I do the edges. Alright, so you're going to take out the braid so you can prep to cut it. Alright, take a razor. You're going to razor it, not too short but not too long because you're going to curl it. Okay? Make sure you test it out. So to test it, just kind of, do a makeshift baby hair look and see if it's long enough or see if you have to cut it some more. Alright, so now with the flat iron on very low heat, preferably 200 degrees, you're going to curl it up. You're going to flip it up.
Why would you flip it up like that? And it's gonna stick out?
I flip it up so it can be flat once you go and lay it down.
Huh?
It's going to all make sense when I show you how to lay it down. Alright?
Alright, I guess.
Okay, so after you're done with the last flip, you're going to lay it down so you can spread. Alright, this is why I didn't curl it under. I curl it up because you see how the top part is flat and then the only part you need curl is the end? That's going to give it that flat look at the top but still give it that curve that you need for the end.
Oh, I see what you're talking about.
Okay, you see? Alright, you're going to comb it down and you're going to comb it to your desired shape. Take the rat tail comb, hold it down so you can pin it with your hairspray. I use Got to Be Glued spray, and you're going to take the rat tail and kind of push it down so you can form your shape. You're going to form the baby hair. Do the same thing on repeat for around the temple and on the sideburns. Comb it down to your desired shape. Spray it. Hold it down with the rat tail comb so you can mold it and dry it. Spread just enough to hold it, but not enough so it can be hard like a helmet because you might want to tweak it one day. You might want to change the consistency of it. You might want to put more or less. So just put enough on there to hold it, but not too much on there for you to have glue to glue hair. Put a neck strip around it for the extra security. And you're going to comb the part down that I sprayed. You're going to comb it down. And you see how that look. All right, follow for more.
And I will. Thank you, girl.